Hi there, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will walk you through how to download, install, and do the initial configuration of the ChequeMaster check printing software. First step would be to download the ChequeMaster software. For that, go to any browser. I am using Google Chrome. Okay, so let's go to the checkmaster.com. Okay, now here you will see the button download. Go to download page. Okay, it should automatically start downloading 3 seconds, but there may be a pop-up blocker enabled in your browser, so it may not start automatically. So for such cases, click on the download now button and it will start the download. So I have already downloaded it. Okay, so now I am to install this software. Go to the download page, and here you will see the zip file with checkmaster setup name. Now I click on it and extract it. So for this, you may need Windows unzip software, which is called WinZip software. So after unzipping it, you will see a setup file here. So to do the setup, double click on it. Okay, and it will start the installation process. Here you will see it is installing the software. Okay, within 3 or 4 seconds, it will be installed. Okay, now the software is installed and it will be automatically start. Okay, now we have downloaded the software and which is now installed. Now we need to do some initial configurations. So here in the first page you will see the two options which will use you need to select the country and the currency. So here you need to select the your country. I am living in India, so I am selecting India, but you can select any country, or all countries are listed here. Okay, and I want to print the checks for the INR currency. So you can choose your currency here, but make sure these settings are selected properly, because once it is selected cannot be changed after the configuration. So make sure you have selected proper country and currency. Okay, so after this, click on the next. Here you need to select the print language and the amount format. So we have three languages available right now, which is English, Hindi, and Gujarati. uh, you can select the language you want to print the checks in, let's say, but for now I am want to print my checks in English language. And here I need to select the amount format. This is the very important setting. You can select any option you want and you will see the sample here. So for Indian check, we want to print the amount in words in lakhs with 2 decimal digits. So for that you can select this option and you will see the sample output. Okay, so for this option it will print amount and words like this. Okay, so it is comma separated. Now if you want to do the if you want to print the amount in words in millions with 2 decimal digits, you can select the second option, and here you will see it is now printed in the millions. Okay, so here too many options are available. Also in some countries like Kuwait or Qatar, they have 3 decimal digits. uh, so for those countries you can select this option with 3 decimal digits. You can see now it has 3 decimal digits. Okay, so these options are available, so you can select the option whichever you want. Okay, for now I am okay with the in lakhs and 2 decimal digits, but don't worry, these settings can be changed after the software. So for now you can select any setting you want, and these two things can be changed later. Okay, now let's click next. Okay, so this is the confirmation page that you have selected this country and currency and the language English. Okay, now you need to click proceed. Okay, now the configuration is saved. Now we need to click on the login. Now the software is started and you can play around. Here are many options that we will create videos about the settings and other configuration. So for now, that's it for this video, and in next video we will explain you how to do the setups, create check layouts, and getting started with. So hope this helps. See you in the next video. Thanks.